हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 9 का इंग्लिश 1.1 वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर वार्मिंग अप चिट चैट प्लस मार्जिनल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं। तो स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। फर्स्ट है वार्मिंग अप। चिट चैट है, उसमें देखो फॉर्म पेयर्स और ग्रुप्स ऑफ 4. यूज these questions to start a conversation with your friends. First, are you a talkative person? Do you like to share the thoughts? What would you like to do after 10th? ओके, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन से आपको स्टार्टिंग करनी है कन्वर्सेशन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आर यू अ टॉकेटिव पर्सन? आंसर, यस आई एम अ टॉकेटिव पर्सन। और आंसर ये भी हो सकता है, नो आई एम नॉट अ टॉकेटिव पर्सन। करेक्ट। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, डू यू लाइक टू शेयर योर थॉट्स? आंसर, टू टाइप का आंसर हो सकता है, यस आई लाइक टू शेयर माई थॉट्स और नो आई डोंट लाइक टू शेयर माई थॉट्स। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू डू आफ्टर 10th? तो इसका आंसर भी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हो सकता है। आंसर मैंने यहाँ पे दे दिया है, आपका जो भी आंसर रहेगा आपको राइट कर लेना है। आई वुड लाइक टू ज्वाइन इंडियन आर्मी। ओके। Form groups of 4-6. Discuss the following with your friends in the group and then complete the sentence. फ्रेंड से डिस्कस करके आपको ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करना है। फर्स्ट क्या है यहाँ पे, आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक टू माई मदर अबाउट। आपको आपके मदर से किसके बारे में टॉकिंग करना अच्छा लगता है? यहाँ पे माई मदर अबाउट स्विमिंग लेसन। आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक टू माई फादर अबाउट, का आंसर है देखो, computer classes. I would like to talk to my teacher about my studies. I would like to talk to my best friend about cricket match. Okay. I would like to talk to my grandparent about future plans. Okay. I would like to talk to my neighbors about our society. बी है यहाँ पे, आई वुड लाइक टू लर्न टू। तो इसका आंसर ओके हो सकता है, डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है, पर एक गेसिंग मैंने यहाँ पे दे दी है। तो आपको आपके अगर डिफरेंट आंसर है तो आप डिफरेंट राइट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे आई वुड लाइक टू लर्न टू स्विम फ्रॉम माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड। ओके। आई वुड लाइक टू लर्न टू कुक फ्रॉम माई ग्रैंड मदर। आई वुड लाइक टू लर्न टू draw picture from my teacher. I would like to learn to from my neighbor. Ride bicycle from my neighbor. See यहाँ पे I hesitate to talk to my. Okay. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट का जो आंसर है वो है टीचर। ओके। I hesitate talk to my teacher about my studies. After that I hesitate to talk to my brother about way he or she talks to my friends. I hesitate to talk to my father about I would like to do in future. Okay, I hesitate to talk to my uncle about how I want to spend my holidays. I hesitate to talk to my elder brother about my favorite movies. I hesitate to talk to my sister about the thing I want to do by. Question first है Question first है, what would happen if the child tries to walk fast? Why? Answer, if the child tries to walk fast, it would fall because it is too small to walk fast or to match the speed of its father. Question 2. Does the word walk refer only to the act of walking? What does the poet actually mean to say? Answer, no. The word walk does not only refer to the act of walking. The poet used the word walk to refer to the action, decisions and way of living of a person. Question 3 है, what do the footsteps of the father refer to? Answer. The footsteps of the father refer here to the father's mannerisms, distinctive and individual gestures, traits of speaking and behaving, his action, and his all other characteristics that makes a person successful in life. Question 4 है what qualities of your parents or elders would you like to adopt? Answer है their ability, noble thoughts and actions, kindness and love for other, discipline, hard work, honesty, perseverance and to remain happy in good or bad condition. फ्रेंड्स आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 9 का माई इंग्लिश कोर्स बुक 1.1 वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है रीड द पोएम अलाउड। आपको पोएम रीड करनी है तो ये आपको खुद को करना होगा। नेक्स्ट है पुट द वर्ड गिवन इन ब्रैकेट इन द प्रॉपर ब्लैंक्स। प्रॉपर ब्लैंक्स में प्रॉपर वर्ड पुट कर लेना है। तो फर्स्ट है यहाँ पे द डॉट डॉट इज टेकिंग टू इट्स डॉट डॉट आंसर द चाइल्ड इज टेकिंग टू इट्स फादर। सेकेंड है द फादर इज लीडिंग एंड द चाइल्ड इज फॉलोइंग। C1 है समडे द चाइल्ड विल बिकम अ फादर डॉट डॉट। D है the dot dot child the child does not wish to fall while following its father. Question second है find and write pairs of rhyming word from the poem words that appear at the end of the line. Small, fall, see, me, be, me, true, you. Question 3. The meaning of the words in the following pairs show that they are related. Daddy, father, child, follow, lead. जैसे है रिलेटेड वर्ड है ऐसे ही रिलेटेड वर्ड हमें पोएम में से फाइंड आउट करनी है। फाइंड 5 more pairs of related words. तो यहाँ पे टीचर स्टूडेंट, डॉक्टर पेशेंट, गिव टेकन, ओनर सर्वेंट, कम गो। Question 4 है the child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. Here the poet implies that the child want to understand his father's action better. The child would like to act the same way but want to father to become understanding towards the child needs. What is implies in the following lines? First line है sometimes your steps are fast. Answer है sometimes the father's action are too quick for the child to follow them properly. Second है sometimes your steps are hard to see. Answer है sometimes the actions of father are so difficult that the child cannot understand, observe and act accordingly. C है I would want to lead just right dot dot. Answer the child who is grown up now want to guide his child directly in the journey of his life. D question and know that I was true. Answer the grown up child is confident about his opinions, judgments and actions in his life. He was correct and sincere throughout his life, like his father. Question number 5 है using your own ideas, frame 3 sentences that show continuous action. Example है you are leading me. तो यहाँ पे आंसर में फर्स्ट आएगा I am helping my mother. Second, she is drawing a practice. Third one, he is playing kabaddi. Question 6 है using your own ideas, frame at least Three sentences that show future action or state. Example, who will want to follow me? Second है when I am all grown up. आंसर में फर्स्ट they are going to arrive tomorrow. Second, I shall be 16 years old in 2022. Third one है he will write a letter. Question 7. Discuss the following and write the summary of your discussion in the form of bullet points. उसमें A है how are certain ideas, customs or knowledge passed on from one generation to the next. आंसर में फर्स्ट है preserved by forefather and passed on to new generations. Second है continued to exist till this date. Third one, mythological literature, Vedas, folklores, fables and arts instilled cultural values into them. Fourth one है know to them through celebration of festival and religious ceremonies. Fifth one है every community want to preserve their culture heritage because of their conservative mindset. B question है it is necessary for children to follow the footsteps for their forefathers. If yes, or why? If yes, why? Why is it sometimes necessary to change the old ways? Answer. First है yes, it is necessary to follow the footsteps of your forefathers. Second, because of its importance in life and the moral values it involves. Third one, sometimes it is necessary to change the old ways because many of the traditions and customs are based on superstitions which cannot be explained by reason or science. Fourth one है have to accept good modern ideas. Fifth one, to safeguard the moral standard of people which is declining everywhere. 8 number question. Do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? Answer में my role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India, the man behind India's missile program. I appreciate this intelligence, delicious dedication to his duty, hard work and implicity, his commitment to inspire and guide the youth of India. 9 number question. Think of an occasion when you did not like the decision or actions of your family members but realized later on that they were right about it in 5 to 8 lines. So answer है यहाँ पे my parents have kept a strict rule for me that I can watch TV only for half an hour daily. As a child, I used to dislike this restriction as my friends did not have much a rule at their homes. But now I realize that my parents were right in teaching me discipline and keeping a balance between leisure and studies. I could study, play, watch television and still have time to pursue some other pressure some other hobby. These habits taught me to manage my time properly. Question number 10 है within 2 minutes write as many per phrase or sentence as you can do using a letter. लेटर का यूज करके आपको यहाँ पे फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंस राइट करने हैं. तो यहाँ पे लेटर दिए हैं अ लिटल लेटर, अ लिटल हायर, अ लिटल टू द लेफ्ट, अ लिटल जस्ट अ लिटल वेट अ लिटल लॉन्गर. तो यहाँ पे फ्रेजेस है a little while, I need a little more time, move a little forward, a little earlier, you just need a little bit of luck, a little old lady, quite a little milk, a little confusion, I found him a little smarter. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 9वीच्या मराठी सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.